Welcome. This video is designed to help you prepare AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam through real exam type question. Each question is followed by correct answer and explanation why the answer is correct and other options are not applicable. This is part 3 and continuation of AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam preparation. You can also practice this exam online by navigating to link below. Question 81. Large pre-trained models you adapt or invoke without training from scratch are called. Here are your options. Option A. Only custom proprietary models. Option B. Foundation models. Option C. Batch-only models. Option D. Static configuration files. The correct answer is option B. Foundation models are broad pre-trained models suitable for fine-tuning, RG, or direct prompting. Question 82. A company makes quarterly forecasts to optimize operations using historical sales data with known outcomes. Which type of machine learning fits best? Here are your options. Option A. Unsupervised learning. Option B. Supervised learning. Option C. Reinforcement learning. Option D. Generative AI. The correct answer is option B. Supervised learning learns from labeled historical data to predict future values, regression, and forecasting. Question 83. A resume screening AI was trained on data not representative of all demographics. Which responsible AI dimension is most directly violated? Here are your options. Option A. Fairness. Option B. Explainability. Option C. Privacy and security. Option D. Transparency. The correct answer is option A. Non-representative training data commonly produces biased outcomes for underrepresented groups' fairness risk. Question 84. Which AWS service best supports the end-to-end ML lifecycle, labeling, training, deployment, monitoring? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon Bedrock. Option B. Amazon SageMaker. Option C. Amazon Comprehend. Option D. Amazon Q. The correct answer is option B. SageMaker is the broad ML platform for building, training, deploying, and monitoring custom models. Question 85. Bedrock summaries of meeting transcripts sometimes include facts not in the transcript, hallucinations. Which technique most effectively reduces this? Here are your options. Option A. Increase temperature. Option B. Retrieval augmented generation, RG, with a knowledge base. Option C. Use only zero-shot prompting. Option D. Switch to a smaller model. The correct answer is option B. RAG grounds generation on retrieved source content, improving faithfulness versus pure parametric knowledge. Question 86. Which term describes numerical representations of real-world objects, e.g. words or images, that foundation models use internally? Here are your options. Option A. Tokens. Option B. Embeddings/vectors. Option C. Parameters. Option D. Attention weights. The correct answer is option B. Embeddings, vectors, encode meaning in a numeric space for similarity, retrieval, and model internals. Question 87. Personalized marketing emails must reflect rapidly changing inventory. Which approach most improves accuracy with minimal ongoing overhead? Here are your options. Option A. Fine-tune the foundation model weekly. Option B. Retrieval augmented generation, RG, with up-to-date data. Option C. Increase the context window only. Option D. Switch to batch inference only. The correct answer is option B. RAG pulls current facts at query time instead of retraining whenever data changes. Question 88. A legal chatbot must answer from private SSE S3 contract documents. The model cannot access the data. What is the best fix? Here are your options. Option A. Ensure the IAM role used by Amazon Bedrock can read and decrypt objects. Correct KMS key if applicable. Option B. Make the S3 bucket publicly accessible. Option C. Prompt the model to look in S3 without integration. Option D. Remove all sensitive information from the documents. The correct answer is option A. Bedrock knowledge bases and data access require correct IAM permissions and decryption rights for protected data. Question 89. A multi-step travel agent searches flights, books hotels, and builds itineraries. Which Bedrock feature fits best? Here are your options. Option A. Guardrails only. Option B. Agents for Amazon Bedrock. Option C. Party Rock. Option D. SageMaker Jumpstart only. The correct answer is option B. Bedrock agents orchestrate tools and APIs across multi-step workflows with reasoning and planning. Question 90. A company needs near real-time latency for large input sizes, up to 1 gigabyte, and processing times up to 1 hour. Which SageMaker inference option is best? Here are your options. Option A. Serverless inference. Option B. Asynchronous inference. Option C. Real-time inference. Option D. Batch transform. The correct answer is option C. Real-time inference endpoints deliver synchronous, low-latency predictions for online serving scenarios, confirm payload, and timeout limits in current SageMaker docs. Question 91. Custom computer vision models need a managed, user-friendly labeling UI to reduce mistakes on new real-world data. Which service should they use? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon SageMaker Ground Truth. Option B. Amazon SageMaker Canvas. Option C. Amazon Recognition. Option D. Amazon Bedrock. The correct answer is option A. Ground Truth provides human-in-the-loop and assisted labeling workflows for training datasets. Question 92. Which AWS tool helps detect bias in datasets and models during the ML lifecycle? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon Macy. Option B. Amazon SageMaker Clarify. Option C. AWS Artifact. Option D. Amazon Guardrails. The correct answer is option B. SageMaker Clarify supports fairness and explainability analysis for models and data. Question 93. Protect a generative AI app from prompt injection and enforce content safety policies. Which feature should you implement? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon guardrails for Amazon Bedrock. Option B. IAM policies only. Option C. S3 bucket policies only. Option D. AWS CloudTrail logging only. The correct answer is option A. Bedrock Guardrails adds configurable content filters, denied topics, and sensitive information handling beyond IAM alone. Question 94. A retailer wants to identify and categorize animals in many photos with no manual labeling. Which strategy fits best? Here are your options. Option A. Object detection. Option B. Anomaly detection. Option C. Named entity recognition. Option D. In painting. The correct answer is option A. Object detection locates and classifies objects, e.g. animals, in images unlike NER, text, or in painting, image fill. Question 95. A support chatbot must answer only from latest internal policies in S3, minimize hallucinations, and cite sources most cost-effective approach? Here are your options. Option A. Fine-tune a foundation model weekly on the documents with SageMaker. Option B. Amazon Bedrock Knowledge Base for RAG. Option C. Amazon Comprehend for entity extraction only. Option D. Paste documents as few-shot examples in every prompt. The correct answer is option B. Managed knowledge bases provide ingestion, chunking, retrieval, and source attribution without weekly full fine-tuning. Question 96. Generate product descriptions in multiple languages with company tone. Inventory changes daily. Best accuracy with minimal ongoing cost? Here are your options. Option A. Full pre-training of a new model. Option B. RAG with Bedrock knowledge bases on up-to-date data. Option C. Zero-shot prompting only. Option D. Batch inference with a single fixed prompt. The correct answer is option B. RAG keeps copy grounded on current catalog data without continual full model training. Question 97. Occasional harmful or biased Bedrock outputs. Which feature enforces company safety, privacy, and topic rules across models? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon SageMaker Clarify. Option B. Guardrails for Amazon Bedrock. Option C. Amazon Macy. Option D. AWS Artifact. The correct answer is option B. Guardrails applies content filters, denied topics, and PI controls to Bedrock applications. Question 98. A workflow must retrieve order history, check inventory, and draft a personalized email. Which capability is designed for this orchestration? Here are your options. Option A. Prompt engineering with chain of thought only. Option B. Agents for Amazon Bedrock. Option C. Batch inference jobs only. Option D. SageMaker Jumpstart only. The correct answer is option B. Agents combine planning with tools/APIs to complete multi-step business workflows. Question 99. Primary benefit of Bedrock knowledge bases versus hand-built RG on custom vector stores? Here are your options. Option A. Full control over every neural layer. Option B. Managed ingestion, chunking, embedding, retrieval, and source attribution. Option C. Train custom embeddings from scratch only. Option D. Lower cost exclusively for tiny datasets. The correct answer is option B. Knowledge bases reduce undifferentiated RG plumbing so teams focus on data and prompts. Question 100. Block PHI in generative responses while still using de-identified nodes. Best approach? Here are your options. Option A. Zero-shot prompting only. Option B. Guardrails for Amazon Bedrock with sensitive information filters. Option C. Store data in a public S3 bucket. Option D. Fine-tune in SageMaker with no filters. The correct answer is option B. Guardrails can filter or block categories of sensitive content in inputs and outputs. Question 101. When is Amazon Bedrock the better fit than SageMaker for generative AI? Here are your options. Option A. You need full control to design and train a neural architecture from scratch. Option B. You want managed access to multiple foundation models with minimal ML ops and fast time to market. Option C. You only run batch scoring on tabular CSV files. Option D. You must inspect every model weight directly. The correct answer is option B. Bedrock optimizes for consuming FMs via API. SageMaker optimizes for custom ML build and own. Question 102. More creative storytelling while staying factual. Which inference parameter do you adjust first? Here are your options. Option A. Max tokens. Option B. Temperature. Option C. Top P only. Option D. Stop sequences. The correct answer is option B. Temperature increases sampling diversity. Pair with grounding, RG, when factual accuracy matters. Question 103. Millions of PDF contracts in S3 extract text, summarize, and enable semantic search. Recommended combination? Here are your options. Option A. Amazon Textract plus Amazon Bedrock, summarization and embeddings. Option B. Amazon Poly and Amazon Lex. Option C. Amazon SageMaker only. Option D. Amazon Recognition only. The correct answer is option A. Textract extracts document text and structure. Bedrock supports summarization and embedding-powered search patterns. Question 104. Which two vector store options integrate natively with Bedrock knowledge bases? Select 2. Select all answers that apply. Here are your options. Option A. Amazon OpenSearch Service. Option B. Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL with Vector. Option C. Amazon S3 only, as the sole vector index. Option D. Amazon Neptune. Option E. Amazon RDS for MySQL. The correct answers are options A, B. Knowledge bases support several AWS vector stores. OpenSearch Service and Aurora PostgreSQL with Vector are common exam answer. Confirm current docs for the full list. Question 105. Switch from one Bedrock FM e.g. Claude 3 to a newer one e.g. Claude 4 with minimal code change. Simplest approach? Here are your options. Option A. Retrain the entire model yourself. Option B. Update the model ID in Bedrock API calls, same converse/invoke patterns. Option C. Migrate everything to SageMaker only. Option D. Rely on prompt injection. The correct answer is option B. Bedrock abstracts hosting. You typically change model identifiers and validate prompts, not retrain foundation weights. Question 106. Apply the same responsible AI policies to agents, knowledge bases, and direct FM calls. Which feature? Here are your options. Option A. Model cards only. Option B. Guardrails for Amazon Bedrock. Option C. Amazon SageMaker Model Monitor only. Option D. AWS Config Rules only. The correct answer is option B. Guardrails can be associated broadly across Bedrock workloads for consistent policy enforcement. Question 107. High token usage and cost. Which technique most reduces cost while preserving quality? Here are your options. Option A. Increase temperature. Option B. Prompt compression, right-size chunking, and RAG instead of pasting full documents. Option C. Use only the largest model. Option D. Disable logging. The correct answer is option B. Smaller prompts and targeted retrieval cut tokens per request versus dumping entire corpora. Question 108. Answer product questions and take actions. Check stock API, place hold. Best architecture? Here are your options. Option A. Foundation model with few shot prompts only. Option B. Agents for Amazon Bedrock with action groups and a knowledge base. Option C. Amazon Lex only. Option D. SageMaker batch transform only. The correct answer is option B. Agents connect LLM reasoning to APIs and structured knowledge for actionable assistance. Question 109. What is the main purpose of source attribution in knowledge bases? Here are your options. Option A. Increase creativity. Option B. Transparency and grounding. Euro cite retrieved documents to reduce hallucinations. Option C. Encrypt data at rest. Option D. Speed up inference. The correct answer is option B. Citations help users verify answers and improve trust in enterprise RAG. Question 110. Which statement best compares customization approaches on Bedrock? Here are your options. Option A. RAG is often faster and cheaper to implement than fine-tuning or continued pre-training when data changes frequently. Option B. Fine-tuning is always cheaper than RAG. Option C. Prompt engineering is more expensive than full model training. Option D. Guardrails cannot be used with fine-tuned models. The correct answer is option A. RAG updates facts by refreshing data, not always by retraining, making it agile for many enterprise cases. Question 111. Keep all Bedrock API traffic inside the VPC without public internet traversal. What should you configure? Here are your options. Option A. Public endpoints only. Option B. Interface VPC endpoints, AWS Private Link for Bedrock. Option C. IAM policies alone. Option D. Public S3 buckets. The correct answer is option B. Private link endpoints keep traffic on the AWS network between your VPC and the service. Question 112. Low latency and cost for a high-volume customer chatbot. What should you prioritize? Here are your options. Option A. Largest available context window. Option B. Smaller, faster models with sufficient quality, e.g. Haiku class or Express tiers where available. Option C. Highest parameter count regardless of latency. Option D. Image generation capability. The correct answer is option B. Right-sizing the model balances cost, tokens, and responsiveness for high QPS workloads. Question 113. Evaluate and compare prompts or models at scale with metrics and human feedback. Which capability? Here are your options. Option A. Guardrails only. Option B. Prompt management, prompt flows, and model evaluation features in Bedrock. Option C. Knowledge bases only. Option D. Agents only. The correct answer is option B. Bedrock provides evaluation workflows to benchmark models and prompt variants systematically. Question 114. Equipment manuals in generative maintenance checklists. Manuals update monthly. Best long-term approach? Here are your options. Option A. Refine-tune the model every month. Option B. Bedrock knowledge base with sync from S3. Option C. Store entire manuals in static prompt templates. Option D. Amazon Q Business with no data connection. The correct answer is option B. Scheduled sync of source documents into a knowledge base keeps answers current without monthly retraining. Question 115. A company makes forecasts each quarter to decide how to optimize operations to meet expected demand. The company uses ML models to make these forecasts. An AI practitioner is writing a report about the trained ML models to provide transparency and explainability to company stakeholders. What should the AI practitioner include in the report to meet the transparency and explainability requirements? Here are your options. Option A. Code for model training. Option B. Partial dependence plots, PDPs. Option C. Sample data for training. Option D. Model convergence tables. The correct answer is option B. Partial dependence plots, PDPs, are a powerful tool for understanding and explaining how the features in a machine learning model impact predictions. They are often used to meet transparency and explainability requirements for stakeholders. Let's go over why this is the correct choice, along with why the other options are less suitable. Partial dependence plots, PDPs, purpose. PDPs show the relationship between a feature or multiple features and the model's predicted output, which helps to explain the effect of each feature on the model's predictions. Explainability. By visualizing how each feature influences the prediction, stakeholders can better understand how the model works and why it makes certain predictions. This level of interpretability is essential for gaining trust from non-technical stakeholders. Transparency. PDPs improve transparency by providing an intuitive way to analyze and present the effects of individual features. Question 116. A law firm wants to build an AI application by using large language models, LLMs. The application will read legal documents and extract key points from the documents. Which solution meets these requirements? Here are your options. Option A. Build an automatic named entity recognition system. Option B. Create a recommendation engine. Option C. Develop a summarization chatbot. Option D. Develop a multi-language translation system. The correct answer is option C. A summarization chatbot can effectively read legal documents and generate concise versions that highlight key points. This directly addresses the requirement of extracting essential information, unlike the other options, which focus on different tasks. Question 117. A company wants to classify human genes into 20 categories based on gene characteristics. The company needs an ML algorithm to document how the inner mechanism of the model affects the output. Which ML algorithm meets these requirements? Here are your options. Option A. Decision trees. Option B. Linear regression. Option C. Logistic regression. Option D. Neural networks. The correct answer is option A. Decision trees provide clear transparency into how the model makes decisions, allowing easy documentation of how the inner mechanism influences the output. The other options do not offer this level of interpretability. Question 118. A company has built an image classification model to predict plant diseases from photos of plant leaves. The company wants to evaluate how many images the model classified correctly. Which evaluation metric should the company use to measure the model's performance? Here are your options. Option A. R-squared score. Option B. Accuracy. Option C. Root mean squared error, RMSE. Option D. Learning rate. The correct answer is option B. Accuracy measures how many images were correctly classified out of the total images, making it the appropriate metric for evaluating the performance of an image classification model. The other metrics are either not suitable for classification tasks or not used for performance evaluation. Question 119. A company is using a pre-trained large language model, LLM, to build a chatbot for product recommendations. The company needs the LLM outputs to be short and written in a specific language. Which solution will align the LLM response quality with the company's expectations? Here are your options. Option A. Adjust the prompt. Option B. Choose an LLM of a different size. Option C. Increase the temperature. Option D. Increase the top K value. The correct answer is option A. Adjusting the prompt allows you to specify the desired length and language of the LLM's responses, making it suitable for tailoring the output to meet the company's needs. The other options do not directly control response length or language. Question 120. A company uses Amazon SageMaker for its ML pipeline in a production environment. The company has large input data sizes up to 1 gigabyte and processing times up to 1 hour. The company needs near real-time latency. Which SageMaker inference option meets these requirements? Here are your options. Option A, real-time inference. Option B, serverless inference. Option C, asynchronous inference. Option D, batch transform. The correct answer is option C. Asynchronous inference is suitable for handling large input data and long processing times while still providing responses without blocking other requests. It allows for near real-time latency, whereas the other options are less suitable given the input size and processing time constraints. Great work completing this certification practice session. Please practice these exams online as listed below, which is free. Good luck! Thank you.